Hi and welcome to this tutorial about installing Ubuntu 14.4. When I planned this tutorial, I discovered that the installation process is quite similar regardless of which way through the installation you take. So I simply do one tutorial which has several parts, and when there is no difference between the different installation choice, we simply have one file, and after we encounter some place that we have different choice which make different way through the installation, we simply do another part which explain the difference between the different type of installation you have. Alright, Windows user, you have two main choices. You can either split your hard drive or install some virtualization software and run Ubuntu inside a virtual machine. If you choose to split the hard drive, follow the Windows path. If you choose to install Ubuntu inside a virtual machine, follow the Ubuntu path. Ubuntu user, you will have an empty hard drive and a machine to run. Follow the Ubuntu path. Well, when I planned this tutorial series, I hoped I should be able to use Vubi, but unfortunately Vubi have gone out of production, so I simply show how to use a virtual machine. Instead, I use Oracle VirtualBox. If you prefer another virtualization software, be free to use that instead. But creating a virtual machine is very simple in VirtualBox. Simply click New, give the machine a suitable name, Debian in this example. As you see, the system simply give you the right choice if you give the name of the operation system. And make it simple, accept the choices, RAM memory, hard drive, type of hard drive, how they allocated the hard drive. But here, when you come to size, 8 gig is very little, so I give it 80. There we have created the virtual machine. You have now a very simple virtual machine, but it's good enough. You have one DVD CD-ROM player on an i controller, and you have one starter hard drive. To start the virtual machine, simply click Start. First time you start it, they ask what you want to do. Do you want to install from your physical CD-ROM, which simply map your physical CD-ROM to the virtual inside the virtual machine, or you want to use a disk image. When you are done the choice, simply click Start, and this boot will fail because there is no media inside the physical CD-ROM. Alright, it's time to start, so simply boot up your computer and follow on. Alright, Windows user, if you choose to split your hard drive, this process is not completely safe, but you can do two things to make it more safe. First, run ScanDisk to verify that you don't have any error on your hard drives. The splitting process is little time consuming, and the risk of splitting actually fail increase if your hard drive is defragmented. So therefore, run defragmentation on your hard drive too, to ensure that the risk of actually end up with a crap data on your hard drive are as little as possible. Alright, user. Windows user, simply insert the boot media into the DVD-ROM. I will run from a virtual CD, or rather an image of a CD-ROM. This is an auto start CD, so simply close the windows. and restart your computer. If the boot order are correct, the machine will boot up and start the installation process. Alright, Linux user, insert the boot media, and probably your computer have tried to boot and failed, so press reset. And as you can see here, the Windows system is booting up. This takes some time, so I simply do a time skip here. Both machines have now successfully boot. Here to the left you choose the language. Here you try Ubuntu. That means that you start a live DVD. Here you install. In this step, they confirm if you have enough hard drive space and internet connection. Internet connection is necessary if you download updates. I will skip downloading update this time because it takes time from the installation. But I will install this. When you are satisfied with your choice, click continue. In this step, you choose which type of installation you want. Here you have a standard choice. You have unencrypted hard drive and a simple configuration. Nothing to choose from. Here you choose LVM. LVM is an advanced hard drive technique. Here you choose encryption. That is suitable if you have a laptop, for example. If you choose encrypting, you will get LVM. Here, something else. It should have stand manually. That is actually what it is. If you follow the Windows path through this tutorial, you will have a screen like this. More or less the same as the earlier one, but here you have another choice. Install Ubuntu alongside Microsoft Windows XP in this case. Well, here is a typical choice through the installation. So here ends part 1, and if you follow the Windows path through the installation, choose path 2 Windows, or if you choose the other path, simply choose the simple hard drive, the encrypted LVM, or manually. See you in the next part.